Welcome to a world of discovery where we learn about things that help us build and fix. Today we're talking about some common tools and their uses. First up is the hammer, a tool with a hefty head and a sturdy handle. It's used to drive nails into wood or other materials, helping us put things together. Next, meet the screwdriver, a slender tool with a special tip. It twists screws into place, securing things tightly. Finally, we have the wrench, a tool that's perfect for tightening and loosening bolts and nuts. These tools, the hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, are like the superheroes of the building world. They help us create, repair, and enhance the world around us. Remember, every tool has its purpose. And just like these tools, you too have your unique talents to build a better world. So keep discovering, keep learning, and keep building.